down here at Penaz Lake Marina. Looks like all the docks or sluices got a little bit of damage this spring by the water flooding. They're probably working to fix it all. Beautiful spot though. They rent out these sluices for the summer. Park your boat. Working hard at it. Penaz Lake Marina, Whitefish, Ontario. Beautiful place. Lake Penaz is huge. This is just a little bay, but the marina has been here forever. Beautiful spot. Haven't been down here like in 30 years. I don't remember what it was like. Probably hasn't changed much except for maintenance and service. It's perfect. Have a good day.